Hello friends, today's topic, innocent investors lost 1000 crores. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Another big scam in stock markets. The Mumbai police have registered a case against chartered accountant Ambar Dalal, owner of Risk Consultancy Services Company, for allegedly cheating dozens of investors to the tune of rupees 54 crores. The fraud amount may go up as more investors are coming forward to file complaints. The people who have filed complaints so far have said CA Ambar Dalal had attracted investors by promising up to 2% returns on investment per month. Dalal claimed that he would invest money in various commodities and do trading and promised a monthly return of 1.5 to 2% on the invested with legal guarantee of capital safety, resulting in large numbers of investors and senior citizens investing in his company. People are now suspecting that it's a Ponzi scheme. Usually, in these kinds of schemes, the fraudsters pay you some returns from your own money in the first few months. As new investors are introduced, old investors are again given returns from funds from new investors. Usually, money is never invested in any business but is just circulated among investors. When the flow of new investors stops, then the scheme will not have any money to pay old investors, and in such a stage, the promoters of such schemes disappear with the money invested by people. The investors said the returns were received regularly till February on the 10th of each month. When the returns of the month of March was not paid in time, investors inquired about it. Initially, he said that he was busy attending to his sick wife. When some investors started visiting his office, putting more pressure on him, he promised to pay by 14th March. After not receiving their dues on 14th March, some of the investors went to Dalal's residence in Mumbai, where they were told by family members that he was untraceable. At this time, the investors filed a complaint to the Mumbai police. Investors have been returned to Mumbai Police Economic Offences Wing to take up the matter. It's suspected that at least 100 investors were subscribed to his services, with the total investment amount being 1,100 crores, involving more than 1,000 investors. Authorities are on the lookout for Ambar Dalal, since he may even be trying to flee from India. Based on a complaint, the Mumbai police have filed an FIR against Ambar Dalal under sections 420, cheating, 406, criminal breach of trust, 409, criminal breach of trust by a public servant, banker, merchant or agent, and other relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code. We received a comment from one of our YouTube members today. The screenshot and text matter have been pasted. Sirji, I am regularly watching your videos. I have trapped one false claimed shoulder capital investment which was linked through Facebook and WhatsApp group. I have invested 1,50,000. Now they have shown that in account 21 lakhs, and now they have demanded to pay rupees 8.5 lakhs as tax. Then only I can withdraw my investment. Even they are not ready to deduct the tax fund remit, the balance, and threatening me impose fine on overdue tax. What can I do? Where shall I lodge a complaint? How to take back my investment? Please guide me. We can only suggest to give a complaint to Cyber Police Department. We need to be careful before we can invest money anywhere, especially in unknown companies or people. It's very difficult to get back money once you get trapped by such fraudsters. In spite of watching our videos, this channel member got trapped by a fraudster due to making high claims. Just imagine what will be the situation of your friends and relatives who are not very financially literate. So make sure you share this video with all your contacts. The following are some of the important points to keep your money safe. Number 1. Never give your money to others for investment. Always handle your own account. Invest in regulated instruments like registered stockbrokers, mutual funds, PMS, etc. 2. If you make the mistake of investing in unregulated entities, even if you are able to find them, the case may run in courts for years or decades. 3. If you are a senior citizen or your parents are senior citizens, make them aware of such scams. Usually, such people have more money and are easy to fool to. 4. Losing money wastes your hard work of earning it and also severely damages your wealth creation. 5. You must understand that you must be in total control of your investment. Nobody will care for it more than you. At the end of the video, here is a question. Have you noticed more cyber crimes happening these days? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.